your exam on the 11th of April. This is the prediction which is global. And for those who do not know me, I'm an IELTS examiner and I give personal classes and group classes. And if you need any evaluation, you can contact me for speaking and writing. Of course, the materials are available on my site englishwithanittakundra.com. And of course, the predictions get hit from my PDF of reading, the cue cards. I've stopped counting and I have 1 million views here on the Instagram. You can please go and see for yourself. So this is the prediction for the 11th April. So this was from Cameroon, and if you don't have time to prepare and you want to know what to expect, the important questions, some tips. So overall it is the easiest and the best date, I must tell you. So it's the best date, 11th. Now the important questions I will be telling you, which are 100%, they will be there. So please do these questions. They are global. The topics are always 80%, I say. The questions are very important. You will get these questions. For the results, the predictions that are hit and how accurate they are, please go to the Instagram channel. My Instagram page is English with Anita Kundra. These are some of the results, predictions, results. And 90% if you get the cue cards, you can buy them. And 90% accurate, of course, predictions get hit. Please go and see for yourself. If you want the PDF where the reading gets hit for the academic, you can please go and buy it from my WhatsApp number. You can just kindly message me. And this was from the 10th of Jan. So many hit from that PDF. You can buy that PDF. Just WhatsApp me. I'm just being very short here because no one shows you their predictions like this. My Instagram handle is English with Anita Kundra. Okay. And please visit and see the highlights for yourself. For listening module, form completion and table completion. So what are the topics? 80% again. Gym membership, hotel booking and course registration. There will be certainly 100% 10 blanks. Please pay attention to the names, phone numbers, date and the address. 100%. You must pay attention to these things and you get 10 of 10. Then multiple choice and map. For the map, it could be regarding the park, a museum, a campus. Okay. So there could be 5 multiple choice questions. You can buy materials from my website, englishwithanittakundra.com. And for the part 3, you have multiple choice and match the information. Market surveys, psychology experiment, environment research. The students will be discussing about these things. Okay. And there could be the 3 to 4 speakers' opinions that you have to match. So the matching is also there. I've already told you. But of course, these are 100%. The topics again I say are 80%. Note completion. The topics are urbanization, workplace, green energy, learning. Please practice 3 and 4 at a high speed of 1.25. Overall, the listening will be easy but fast. So be careful. And here you are going to get 10 blanks and 1 word for sure. Global. Now for academic reading, if you want from where the passages get repeated, it is this, and you can WhatsApp me and I can send you this PDF. So the passage 1 is true, false, not given and sentence completion. Topics: work efficiency, society, history, space or planet, research. This is for academic. Passage 2 is match the headings or matching the information. And this is from Global Canada. Education policy, concept and behavioral science. You will require a lot of reasoning in this passage. Be careful. The writing task 2 is available, and from this PDF, as I have already told, things get repeated. You can buy this. You can WhatsApp me. Passage 3 is MCQs and summary completion. And the questions are yes, no, not given. And MCQs, summary completion and yes, no, not given. Environment, health, exercise, sleep and pollution. So these are some of the tasks too from which they get repeated. My PDF, you can buy that. Of course, I give personal coaching. I'm an IELTS examiner. You can even contact for that. Please, I request you to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, because when you comment, I just get motivated. I devote lot of time in making these predictions. So it is easy to moderate. I say moderate because of the third passage. And I really advise that you should practice the real exam questions. And they are available on the website, or you can WhatsApp me at this number, because there's a difference between Cambridge and the real exam questions, and they do get repeated from here. Okay. And now you can go to my Insta page, English with Anita Kundra, and check the highlights for results, predictions, and feedback. So this is nothing fake here. These are the results. This again repeated, task 2 for general and academic, task 2. Now passage 1 for the general reading. Please note down. True, false, not given, and table completion. It could be about housing, renting, or for some events that are organized. Passage 2 is match the features, information, work, responsibilities, staff policy, training, safety and promotion rules, and volunteer programs. So in the passage third, you get yes, no, not given, and short question answers. Again related to work, company, salary, and teamwork. The level is easy to moderate because of the last one. The tip is, if you want accuracy, I'm giving at 70% off. You can buy the bronze reading GT courses in the cost section. That's my website from where you can get this course at 70% off. And of course, from my just the videos, people are going to get 7.5. Follow my channel, please. And this is the cue card prediction. For writing academic tasks, it is a map, process, bar, or a combination. So buy the writing PDF from the website, and all these you will get in my PDFs, which is really helpful. You can buy by WhatsApping me. Just WhatsApp me and I'll send it to you. Of course, it is paid. And these are the cue cards and the part 1. If you want these, I can predict 90% accuracy. Please WhatsApp at this number. For task 1, it is semi-formal letter, request, or complaint. If you want PDF where I have given all these, then you can please WhatsApp me. I have the PDF. Now for the writing task 2, GT and academic combined, agree, disagree, discuss, and problem solution are the types of essays. You should know how to write them. Then the current trends, these are the topics which are 80%: technology, social media, environment, children, education, and globalization. The task 2 prediction and the practice materials are available. Please WhatsApp me at this number to get it directly in your WhatsApp. Please subscribe, like, and share, and comment. It really motivates me. The level of the essay is going to be easy to moderate because sometimes the question can be tricky. Please read it carefully. Now, if you want the tips to prepare all tricky questions, then there's a PDF that is available on my website for $4.99. It is Goal 7 Plus and it is for the limited time only. The speaking is going to be a bit hard because some new cue cards and part 1 topics are going to be there, and I have these in my PDF. Join my Telegram channel and get a free sample of a recent cue card. It is in the Telegram channel and I have pinned it. Okay, so the final version of the cue cards and the final part of the part 1 is available along with prediction at 90% accuracy, and if you buy this PDF, you get 7+ bands. Thank you and all the best.